Hi guys, welcome. I'm Dr. Diana. This is the ethics class, and believe it or not, one of the most important classes for the board exam. Sometimes I think that we underestimate how important this class is for the test, but it's extremely important. And I can tell you that probably 30% of your exam is going to be based on ethics and principles of ethics. So, as I always say in my videos, since I am only telling the high yield facts, try to memorize them and commit to memorize them, and that will guarantee you success on your test. We're gonna start with this. So, first of all, we have the principles of ethics. These are the aspirational goals of the profession. Then we have the